Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today we're going to introduce you one of our valve assembly, this one. Okay, then please follow me. Let's check the details for our control valve. And firstly, you can check the outside package. It is kind of blue VCI anti-rust back here. This is the product SKU. And actually, with Shumatt, we also can satisfy the demand like customized service. If our customers want to design this kind of logo, the label, the packages, etc., we can satisfy you. And now I will open it to see the inside product. For this one, the product code is F00RJ01657 120 series, China made brand new. And now let's check the inside packages. For the inside package, we will use this kind of transparent bottle to package it. It's very hard. You can open it in this way. And for the inside, we also use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. Wow, let's take a look. For this valve assembly, actually, we're not only selling the whole site, we also can sell in the separate parts like the valve cap or the valve rod. And if you look carefully, you will find on the valve cap, they're listed with several coatings here. This is the valve rod. And for our valve assembly, here Caitlin have several tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is if you want to install the valve assembly, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the inject body. And also for this control valve, we also supply with the 6 months warranty time in this period. Any of our customers, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. So much for today. Or if you want to know other details about our product, please feel free to contact us. Let's see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.